Hello, I am Adarsh Sharma. I am giving presentation on my term paper topic, that is role of computer in military and defense area. So this is my content of my term paper topic. So I am covering here some devices which is controlled by computer, then artificial intelligence, machine learning role, and then some advantage, disadvantages, then about some data securing and securing. So I am starting. Introduction. Computers are used everywhere or in every field. Today's technology is very high. Today, the world uses this type of technology to use many computers, military or defense soldiers. In defense, force use computers to fight against enemies to save their soldiers. Military communications, transfer of information from the service and other enemy related units, and base of applying command by conveying command operators orders and instruction give to their subordinates. All these given by computer. So computer is very played important role in military or defense area. So here are some devices which is controlled by computer, like fighting drone, fighting plane and missile and weapon ships, tanks. These are some of the devices which is controlled by computer and they attack the enemies. Fighting drone is very helpful. By this we can see what the enemy planning by drones hidden camera. The military people use computers to track other numbers and their recordings. If helps to know if another company has set a bomb trap. The defense people use computers in tanks and some airport planes to set targets with accuracy and many more. These vehicles help perform some key tasks without any driver. So in military, special types of computers are used. Our military used special types of computers which have advanced features. Our soldiers lived on the border side, and when they climb any mountain, so they need a laptop of sunlight protection and rugged protection, and also battery durability. In the navy, they need a laptop of waterproof. So drones, we know it is very helpful. The UCAV, which is unnamed combat aerial device, also known as a combat drone, similarly used as a drone or UAV, is an unnamed aerial vehicle. It is used for intelligence, surveillance, target detection, and to inform and carry such aircraft such as missiles and grenades on solid drone strike. These drones are usually under human control in real time with varying levels of autonomy. So here are some military drones. Name are RQ-4, Global Hawk, and many more. GPS system. A special features like GPS, which is full form global position system, is very beneficial for our soldiers. It allows the weapons like bombs or missiles to set the target at certain location of objects. Using satellites, it offers an exact location on Earth. Computers are needed by the military to run the system and also provide information at the ground level to combat leaders. At first, the soldiers did not want to allow people to use GPS for fear of being used by traffickers, terrorists, or enemy forces. Finally, due to pressure from equipment companies, the Department of Defense made GPS available for non-military purposes within certain minutes. On the day of 1st May 2000, President Clinton removed the restriction and announced that the option of regarding GPS signals during emergency would be retained in 2010. The federal government is committed to providing GPS technology for peaceful worldwide use free of charge. Rather, it is very helpful technology in the military and defense areas. This technology helps in saving soldiers' life and country. If any terrorist or any enemy country soldier sent a missile to damage another country, so this is very difficult to stop any missile. Here, our other technology works like save lives and give the answer to the enemy's attack. It is a detection system that uses radio waves to calculate the range, velocity of objects or angle. And it detects the planes, ships, spacecraft, missiles, climate formation, and land. It usually consists of a transmitter that produces an electromagnetic signal that is transmitted across the atmosphere. When a signal hits anything, it is displayed or ignited in the most places. The displayed signal is received by a radar rod that we bring to the receiver or computer, where it is processed to determine the location statics of the object. Radar is still very common as military technology. Some Indian radar like India Indra Radar, Rajendra Radar, and many. One of the missile computer control in India, that is Pinaka. Pinaka is India's most successful target weapon system. Pinaka is a traditional multi-barrel rocket launch program which is established by the Defense Research and Development Organization. of the Indian Army, which is DRDO. Its weapon system has a state-of-the-art steering kit equipped with advanced navigation. Pinaka's ideas were introduced in 1981 in response to the Indian Army's need for a long-range weapons program. Initially, the Department of Defense approved two confidence-building projects, and real projects could only begin in 1986 with an approval pro- project budget of rupees 26.47 crore. After demonstrating his military project in 1999, they, did, uh, they dedicated Pinaka MERL Army was revived in February 2000. So Pinaka's complete MBRL system consists of six vehicles, each with 12 records and six loaders, which is filling card, two command post vehicles with fire control computers. Each Pinaka launcher can work independently and it is controlled by its own computer. The launch system of Pinaka is comprised of two ports, which are mounted side by side to each other on a Tetra launcher vehicle. Each launcher has the ability to fire all the rockets in one go or only a few in a different direction than others with the help of its control computer. The Pinaka launcher can operate in different modes: autonomous, standalone, remote, and manual. The initial version of weapon system was called Mark 1, which had a range of 40 km. The upgraded version of Pinaka Mark II has an extended range up to 80 km. Now I am telling out some artificial intelligence role in military. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are capable of handling large volumes of data more efficiently. AI improves self-control, self-regulation, and self-actuation of combat systems due to its decision-making capabilities. The AI provides warfare platforms, cybersecurity, logistics, transportation, target detection, battlefield healthcare, combat simulation and training, threat monitoring, and situational awareness. The Indian government, to increase the power of Indian armed forces, started working on artificial intelligence. Generally, when we think about artificial intelligence in the defense sector, then we think of the image of a dangerous weapon system as we watch in Hollywood movies, like a killer robot. But a killer robot is more powerful than humans and cold to kill someone. The possibility may come in future, but AI has several non-lethal uses for militaries. If I talk about the Indian military, then India uses artificial intelligence like a potential type. Artificial intelligence can enhance military technology capability. Three sectors are there that India can use artificial intelligence. First, logistics supply management, cyber operation, and ISR, which is intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance. ISR, artificial intelligence use ISR by two ways. First, first that is a vehicle which is operated on land, air, water, operated easily. And the second use of data interruption. US has already make a project which is Project Maven, and by this system, artificial detect the drone footage and automatically identify that this is dangerous thing. So some advantages: computer controls UAV or unnamed aircraft, for example Predator. Computer is also used on intercontinental ballistic missiles which use GPS and computer to help the arrow get to its target. Computer is used to target incoming arrows and to help execute weapon systems on an incoming target to destroy them. Computer was used to help the soldiers find out where all their belongings were, situational awareness, and in communications system. Computer is used in the logistic operation and ordering functions of getting equipment to and around the battlefield. Computer is used in tanks and planes and ships to target enemy forces to help run the platform and more recently to help diagnose any problems with the platform. Computer is a gateway between different computer networks and to host security functions and many more advantages of computer military. Some disadvantage also there, which is technology expensive. As we know, computers can add weight to vehicles. Computer that help pilots may not work properly. Increased use of weapons is dangerous on both sides of the battlefield. Securing data. As we know that in every field, securing data is very important. We can keep data on the computer and access it anytime. Soldier data like name, position, posting, updating, retirement, location, and medals, etc. Data kept on computer. Military uses special types of computer which is more secure. Plans data, future plan data is also kept on computer. So explain some expenditure and result. Military and defense people use special types of computer that were generally more expensive than any office or normal computers. Normal computers from manufacturers such as Dell are manufactured in very high quantities, which leads to lower cost due to economy of scale. On the other hand, military programs can require a small number of systems, leading to higher costs. Military computers will typically also be constructed of more robust material with more internal structure and more cooling forms, a more robust power supply. If I talk about real, then it results in long-term ability and provides many features. It protects from sunlight and it increases the securing of any data. So finally, I am telling conclusion of my term paper topic. Computers play a very important in military and defense field as we saw in previous slide. Many people think that computers very used little in this field, but as we saw, mostly communication is very important. It is required. It is possible by our computer technology. In the future, robots may also come which are controlled by computer and advanced sensors which detect physical phenomena like an electrical field, vibration, or particle. Computer robots are beneficial for the military and defense area. If any soldiers are injured at any time, then robots which are controlled by computers can go and come back with injured soldiers. This can save a soldier's life. So this is all my side. Thank you.